This is Peter with Dent-Free Image. Today we're going to be working on a Kia Sportage. And this vehicle has two very pronounced, I'll call them door dings, but they're like severe door dings. One is in the top of the passenger side door. As you can see it right there, very distorted, a lot of stretched metal. The vehicle is black, so it really shows up. And this is the front door on the lower part, going right across the body line. Crush. This is maybe for sure a bit bigger than a door ding. That line. There you go. We're at the customer's home. We're gonna make these look as good as new here. In a little bit. Stay tuned. There you go. You could really catch it with the reflection of the house. Definitely you can see that one there on top. Stay tuned. Here we got the completed repair on this Kia Sorento. As you can see, the dent that was on the top of the passenger door on the right side there is gone. See a beautiful reflection of the home, which is a sign of a great repair. And we had the severe dent there on the body line, and you can see that that came out really good. Took a while. It had a brace behind it. We had to create access to get to it, but there we go. Perfect repair, beautiful, and we got a happy customer. We could do the same to your vehicle. Give us a call. This is Peter with Dent-Free Image. 210-744-3464, or on the web at dentfreeimage.com. And here's Rosemary, the owner of this beautiful Kia.
Very happy with the awesome job.
Thumbs up. All right. Thank you, Rosemary.